Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, we've got an egg which will soon be fried. This is a simple fried egg recipe. We have some sourdough bread which will soon be toast. We're going to add some butter to the bread, and then here is the key today: grape jelly. That was the evil laugh. Mike Foster here. How you guys doing? Another simple recipe, another simple fried egg recipe over toast. This came from a commenter. I can't remember your name. Sorry. If you remember it, leave me a comment that said, "Hey, no, we used to eat growing up toasted grape jelly with a fried egg on top." And I'm like, really? Well, I'm going to try it. Check this baby out. Alrighty, we have a medium pan. I'm going to put the butter down. Mix it around. Alright, here's the egg. Yeah, looks good. Alright, let's see how we're doing here. Oh yeah. I'm not going to salt or pepper this. So, this is probably got another minute. We'll do the flipperoo. Here's a little tip. You can trim it. Make it look pretty. See that? There you go. Or gouge it. All right, that's looking beautiful. Let's shut this baby off. Do the old flipperoo. Take it off the heat. And I'll go meet you with the toasty. Alrighty, this has been buttered already. Here is that grape jelly. Put that baby down, spread it around. I have no idea how this is going to taste. I've never had this before. But I have had peanut butter and fried egg, and I've had peanut butter and jelly with fried egg. So maybe I have had it, a semblance of it. This makes me think I'm going to do this peanut butter, jelly, and bacon in an egg. Why not that one? Why not? All right. There's your jelly with a little butter on that toast. Here's that egg right there. Let's cut into this baby, see what we got. That looks pretty darn good. Here it is. Ooh, yolky McSmoky. There it is. There's your close-up. That is your fried egg on jelly toast. Can't wait for a big bite. There it is again, another close-up. Take a nice bite with the yolk. There it is. Fried egg and jam, jelly, grape. Look at the contrast. Sweet jelly, even without an egg, grape jelly on toast is pretty darn good. But the egg is going to give it a little protein. And that eggy, gooey goodness. Sweet baboo. It tastes interesting. Not altogether hideous. Actually pretty darn good. For more videos like this, check out my YouTube channel, Live Life 365. And subscribe and tell people about Live Life 365. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Meet you at the stove. That's in the outtakes. Mix mosty. Mix toasty. Smoky. Mix toasty. I can't. I'm looking forward to it. Center. I can't wait to try this. That's for the next episode of Big Bites. Makes me want to go like this. Here's the deal. I don't understand I should be getting more views. I should have millions and trillions and gabillions and zillions, trillions, millions, zalalulis. Doesn't make sense. Baba.